All right, I got together a few essential tools I think will help out technicians that are newer to the field, kind of make your life easier type of deal, kind of essential. So a good set of dead blow hammers, include a brass one, okay? So I have an assortment of dead blow that I use for suspension, stuff like that. The brass one comes in handy because usually the brass will get damaged, not the thing you're hitting. So a must-have in our shop is a torque wrench, and of course we like the digital torque wrenches. We have different variations with that. This is a 3/8, a miniature one, and then I have another 1/4 inch one, size of this right here, that comes in handy in little tight spots. But a torque wrench, especially a digital torque wrench, does make life easier. If you're at a shop that requires your technicians to torque everything to spec like we do, that will come in handy. As you know, electric ratchets and impacts, Milwaukee SnapOn, whatever your preference is, makes your productivity that much better. If you're just doing hand wrenching on everything, it's going to take you forever. This definitely helps out your speed, productivity. Plus it keeps your hands in good condition. Early on, when I started this, we didn't have this, and I have carpal tunnel on both hands. I've had surgery to fix that on both hands. Obviously, if we had this a long time ago, I wouldn't have hopefully had surgery, but it is what it is. So another great little addition here would be a set of small Handpicks. There's different ones. There's 90 degrees, straight picks, odd little angles. That makes a big difference, especially when you do like some oil changes, you're getting O-rings off. You can get in there and use that. Another cool pair of pliers. They're hose clamp pliers, but there's a cutout for the clamps, the squeeze clamps to get in there and squeeze it. These are amazing. Obviously you can't get it in real tight spots, but I highly recommend SnapOn makes it. They may be an off-brand or something. They're worth their weight. Highly recommend that. A good set of wrenches, ratchet wrenches. I like to do various sizes. I have one that's not adjustable on the head. It's longer. Then I have ones that have a soft grip on it that adjusts, and then I have one that I call it my little hand wrench because it fits my hand great spots. The head flexes on it. Like I said, I'm not here pushing a brand, just whatever company you feel like it works for you, whatever you can afford. It's either Icon, Mac, whatever SnapOn, whatever you like. Get an assortment of adjustable ratchet wrenches. A good swivel extension that the head on it itself swivels. This is a universal extension. They do make ones where it has the extra sockets on here. Those are really nice. Same thing with spark plugs, swivel spark plugs. A set of those. These will make life easier for sure. And the other thing for extensions, get some lock-in extensions, different sizes that lock on the socket. So if you get a socket and you put it on here, it locks in place. They don't drop. But man, that's just awesome. A couple small little stuff. A good flashlight. I like this old flashlight here because it fits in your pocket, your back pocket. Plus, it's real powerful. It's from Streamlight. To me, this is the best flashlight on the market for the size and how compact it is. Highly recommend that for sure. A couple small side notes here. For, working on cars that have the hood struts are weak, this clamps onto the strut itself and it prevents it from the hood falling on you. It's a good little piece. A little trim tool or cat claw thing here. This one is from Blue Point. This thing's awesome. It's I think it's aluminum, but man, it's a non-marring pry tool. This thing is awesome because the plastic ones will flex and they're just not real durable. This thing here is worth its weight. This thing's, it's non-marring, but it doesn't flex. It's very stiff, so it'll pop the stuff loose for you. Super, super comes in handy. Super quality too. Highly recommend that. Thing is awesome. Then, you know, a magnet and a mirror. So to look for stuff, find stuff, you drop a nut or whatever. But, you know, a good set of sockets also. That should be enough for a new technician to do most jobs out there. Obviously, there's other stuff you're going to require as you gain experience and you have the money for the means to do so. But just want to throw a few things out there for the technicians that are getting into the field. These are some excellent choices to have because it comes in handy, because if you need them, they're here. Another little bonus would be some brake caliper hooks to hang the calipers so they're not hanging from the hoses. And then I have a nice little cart that I have that rolls around, and everybody has their own preference for carts. Whatever works for you, you get. To the next one. See ya.